Hi everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. So how are you doing? I hope you're good. Now, I had put up a poll on my community tab a day or two ago asking you to choose what yarn or what colors I should use for my next project, which will be a tutorial, of course. So I had shown this the sweet roll yarn. It's a 4-weight. Color is Frosty Swirl. So there's that, and I had this beside it. It's the baby from Hirschner's, the ones you can buy in the 5-pack for $8 US, I believe it is. And it's also 100% acrylic. I was actually going to double this to put with this. Yeah, so that's one choice I gave you guys to pick, or this one here. I thought this color was gold, but it's actually called mustard. Yeah, it's called mustard. So the white and the mustard together. This is also a 4-weight. This is Big Twist Value from, you guys know where it is. Is it Hobby Lobby? I'm in Canada, we don't have a Hobby Lobby. Anyway, yeah, so if you want to go with that poll and choose whether you want these two together or these two together, just go there and vote. So I was going to hold 2 of these together since this is a 3-weight yarn. Then I decided, oh, what the heck, might as well go to Michael's, and I had a coupon for 30% off, so I went there and I got something. This is not a 1-ball yarn haul. This is a 2-ball yarn haul. I've had 1-ball yarn hauls before, but I got 2 the same here. They're the Craft Smart Value yarn in white is the color, and it's a 4-weight. So this I think will work better than having to hold 2 together. Yeah, but that's just me. You know, you can do what you want when you make the tutorial. Okay, I'm not going to need all this. Like, I have 2. I won't need all of this, but I thought, you know, I don't have any white in a 4-weight, so I'll use part of this one for my project, and I might as well have another one on hand, right? Yeah. Okay, what else is there? In here, you may know, 354 yards, 7 ounces, 324 meters, 198 grams, 100% acrylic, 4-weight. I think that's about it. Its color is white. Yeah, that's it. So now I have 2. So I'll have 1 for my stock and 1 for my project. Yeah, so I think that's good. So guys, go over there and vote, because I still haven't stopped that poll. It's still going on. So yeah. So yeah, I had the 30% off. I think it was just for 1 item. I saw a coupon for 2 items, and I guess I didn't use it or ran out. I don't know. But anyway, I got 30% off one of these. These are regularly $4.99 Canadian, which isn't bad at all. So I got 30% off the one, and then we had taxes. So I paid $9.50 for the 2 of them. $9.50, so yeah, a little bit of a savings, you know. It helps. Every bit helps. All right, I want to say hi to Miranda. I hope you're here, Miranda. She was the cashier. She's really nice, and yeah, she crochets. So I said, I have a YouTube channel, so I wrote it down for her. So I hope you come by, Miranda. It would be great to, you know, see you in the comments. All right, so that's it. That's it for today, pretty quick. Okay, you guys, I'll see you again soon. Bye.